Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the unboxing of the Honor Magic4. If you are already subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, or you happen to have seen our last video, you'll know that we've been using this device for about a week at this point. And this video is one so that you can see what's in the packaging that will be at retail for the Honor Magic4 Pro. So let's start off with this. So I'm going to lift the lid off the box. You can see that round picture at the side. There's a nice little embossed Honor Magic4 Pro at the side. And now we see the phone itself. We'll put this to the side and see what else is in the box first. So here we have some casing, nice really soft finish case here. There's a SIM ejector tool. I can't eject the SIM ejector tool from its holder, there we go. It's a nice simple one that does the job. Let's see what else is in this box. Oh, there's a case, excellent. So it comes with a case out in the box, that's great to see. So this is one that our friend Chris at TechSpert probably would call a condom case, but it's a simple, transparent TPU case with all the right cutouts in all the right places. We'll put this aside and have a play around with that later. There's a charger in the box. This is one of Honor's new chargers, and we'll take that plastic wrapping off it. So this is a UK travel charger, and you can see that it pops up and down. Now this is obviously a retail unit, so we don't have any details on the charger itself, but this is a very fast charger. Check out our preview video to have a little bit more details on that. But the detail here is it's USB-A with an orange bit on it, and on the other side it's USB Type-C. So just opening up here, you see we've got USB-A on one end to USB Type-C. So we'll get into that in a bit more detail in other videos, but it's in the box, which is good to see that some companies are still doing that. Right then, let's take the plastic cover off the lovely Honor Magic4 Pro. Now, as you can see, this is a review device that has been provided to us by Honor, and you can see it's got a not for sale sticker on it. And I'll leave that one on for now. Now, on the back, you see this very nice round camera module. This is where you have 5 separate sensors, even though Honor are calling this a triple camera setup. And we'll be doing some detailed camera coverage of the Honor Magic4 Pro because the cameras are really the highlight to the device. And not only the cameras themselves, but the computational photography that goes into this product. The device itself is lovely. It feels very solid, and it has a certain heft to it. As you can see, it's got a glass back with gently curved corners to the side. The front is curved on pretty much all 4 corners, but it's a bit more accentuated to the sides. So it gives you the impression that it's a slightly smaller device than it is, and it is a really nice little phone. I say little, it feels smaller than other devices in its sides. And in terms of cutouts, you'll see that at the top here there's not only a microphone button, but there is an infrared blaster. There's a speaker at the top. There's obviously cutout for antenna bands there. At the bottom we have the SIM tray, microphone hole, USB Type-C and speaker port. And on the right hand side we have power button and volume buttons. So overall the Honor Magic4 Pro looks really good. So let's go into a little bit more detail and look at that screen. So this is an OLED screen, Honor powered by Android. This is a device with Google Play services. And what I'm going to do is pretty much wrap up this unboxing of the Honor Magic4 Pro. And we'll focus on the setup video, which we'll be publishing tomorrow, where we'll be showing you how I go about setting up this device. But for now, thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you'd like to see more coverage of the Honor Magic4 Pro, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. If you'd like to know more, please do leave us a comment in the section below. we'll have the full spec sheet and links to where you can purchase the Honor Magic4 Pro on the description just below this video. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.